friends, Michelle here from 24 Olive Street, and I have a fun Valentine's Day project to share with you today. So I found this cute wooden heart that I'm going to add a soft pink paint to, and I will be sure to link all of the paint and paste colors and transfers in the description below, but just getting a good amount of paint. And then I'm going to take this fun background transfer and I'm going to make sure I fuzz it real well because it's brand new. I also have this wooden board that I found that I'm going to add this background to. I'm not really concerned with it being super perfect. I just want a fun little background for my project. So I'm going to spread the paste all along my transfer, making sure I try to get most of all the words in there. And again, I'm not looking to be perfect on this project at all. So once I get the paste on there, I'm going to pull that off. I'm going to set that aside and let it dry. And then I'm going to take this mini buffalo plaid transfer. Now this transfer actually is an 18 by 18 transfer, but I have cut mine down into 4 smaller pieces for small projects like this. And I'm just going to take this transfer and add the pattern in different places on the heart, kind of like if I were decoupaging, like paper, something like that. So that's kind of the look I'm going for. And you'll notice I'm drying in between each section, but I'm not washing my transfer. I'm just going to keep reusing it in different spots until I get the look that I'm going for. So you can see how I've it looks like I've layered different papers on my heart, only I've done it with the transfer and the chalk paste. So I'm going to make sure that's dried real well, and then I'm going to put my heart on here and figure out what love word I'm looking for. I've got other transfers or mini transfers that have the word love in them, so I'm just trying to figure out what I want to use. And then once I've put some yarn on my heart, I'm going to use that little white chalk chip, and I'm going to chalk that in just a minute. And oops, it looks like I'm a little bit off the screen. Sorry about that, but I finally decided on the word love from a previous Chalk Couture transfer that we had probably about, maybe 2 years ago. So I settled on that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Gorilla Glue and I'm going to put that on the back of my heart. I want to make sure it has, it sticks on there real well, which is why I went with Gorilla Glue. So once I put that on there, I set something heavy on top of it and let it dry overnight, so I was sure that it was stuck on there real well. And then I'm going to take one of the white chalkable chips, and I found these cute little hearts in the Spring Vintage Truck add-on. And again, I'm just kind of creating a background just like I did with the mini buffalo plaid. So once that's dry, I'm going to take another color paste, a darker color, and at first I did not wash my transfer, and you can see that didn't quite turn out the way I'd hoped, not the distressed look I was going for. So I washed up the transfer real quick and then did another layer of paste, and that's exactly the look I'm going for. So once I did that, I have this cute fabric that I found that I'm just going to rip a strip off of here to use it as my tie-on for my cute little chalk chip, just to add a little bit more color and pattern. So I'm just going to tie this right on. I tie it onto the yarn that I have on there, and then once I kind of trim everything up and make sure it looks the way I want it to look, I add another cute ribbon. It's kind of hard to see because it's a light colored ribbon, but just adds a little bit more dimension to my tag. So got everything trimmed up and looking good, and there you go. So that's my fun Valentine's Day project for you today. I hope you enjoyed it, and please be sure to visit me on Facebook and Instagram.